I'm excited. On this edition of this protein pack challenge, I got StarKist Deli Tuna here, and with it I'm going to be doing a pretzel sandwich. This one has celery, water chestnuts, and is already in a tangy sauce in the package itself. I'm not getting a smell off of it. That reminds me of the tuna that my Nana used to make. Much different than how I make mine. But there's nothing standing out in this one like there's in the other flavors. I think this one is more about its consistency rather than its flavor per se. But let's go ahead and get this out of here. None of these tunas are super wet, which is nice. But to this one I'm gonna add a little tiny spot of mayo. We squirt a Dijon there. I'm gonna dice up a little bit of red onion. And even though there's celery in it, I'm going to add just a little bit more. Nice soft pretzel roll. Adding a couple slices of thinly sliced tomato, and then just a touch of shredded lettuce. And look at that gorgeous sandwich. Just a few ingredients and definitely less than $5. That Dijon I added works super well in there. And that little bit of celery adds some crunch along with the lettuce. Ooh, that's a lunch to be proud of. If you want more creative ideas on what to do with these fun little packets, I created a freebie with every brand, every flavor. The link for that is down in the description. And if you want more of this protein pack series, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.